Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Gracie. So today, me and Yasmin, she's my best friend, we are going to be doing this pop challenge thing that someone recommended to me. I was like, okay, I'll do it, but I'm not going to do it the way that you say to do it. So we each got a pop, and we're going to see who can chug it the fastest, and whoever chugs it the fastest and finishes it first and doesn't burp gets to win. If we both win, nothing happens. If I lose, she gets to post off my Twitter or my Facebook, and if she loses, I get to post off of her Facebook because she doesn't have a Twitter. Okay.
My mom is like that.
Okay.
Hold on, I don't feel ready for this.
I know my stomach kind of hurts. Ready? 1,
I think.
2, 3.
I already want to burp.
Same here. The faster you chug, the more you want to burp. I can feel it coming up.
I know, I can feel it
It's right here. I have half a can left.
I don't care.
I can feel it. It's coming up. It's right here now.
Nope. Don't take deep breaths, Yasmin.
You're right. Deep breaths don't help. This is so hard. It hurts. It hurts. It's right here right now.
Mine's is right here. Oh, my stomach hurts.
I can feel whenever I swallow, the burp goes down a little bit more than comes up. Let me see how much you have left compared to me.
I can actually win this.
I think you might.
My little stomach can only handle so much.
Don't make me laugh. I don't like this challenge. I can't do it. Oh my god. It feels so good.
I'm going to finish this. I just got a little more.
It feels so good to burp, Yasmin. You should just do it. Burp, 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 burp. Finish the rest of this. And literally all I do all day is sit around chugging pops, so I don't know why I couldn't do this. Then again, I broke my missy.
Oh, God.
Just burp. It feels so good after you burp. You're like, maybe if we do what that girl said, it'll make you burp.
We're not doing that. It's stupid.
So she won, so she gets to post off of my Twitter or Facebook. Which one?
I'll take your Twitter.
And no one that I know follows me on that, so it doesn't have to be appropriate. Dang it. Okay. So she did that. I'll probably post what she tweeted. I'll probably post what she tweeted on my Twitter, because I'll use a little bit on there. Alright, so bye.